It is May. It is the start of lavender season. And what do you do when you have a bottle of classic Me and the Bees lemonade and lavender? You get Coleman with Jitters, our mixologist, and you design a love to lavender lemonade recipe. Tell us how you do that.
Yes. So I made my own lavender syrup at the house. Very easy to make, just equal parts water and sugar, boil, steep with some lavender pods I just got at the grocery store. And to make it this gorgeous bluish, purplish color, I steeped it with some butterfly pea flower.
Wow.
Which is really easy to get at the store or on Amazon. You could also purchase it. Just a beautiful flower, just steep it for about 15 minutes and that's how you really get this color here. And for our Love the Lavender lemonade, I do 1 ounce of my homemade lavender syrup, steeped with the butterfly pea flower. I have some fresh lemon juice here, just to balance out that sugar. And got a 1/2 ounce of that. So 1 ounce, 1/2 ounce of the lemon. And then I do a full hefty pour, 3 ounces of Me and the Bees classic lemonade.
Wow, looks good already.
Already. Wait till you see the color. It's just a beautiful purple lavender style. It's really, really cool. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get a full cup of ice. And anytime that I'm shaking a mocktail or cocktail with citrus, I like to add just a little bit of sea salt.
Okay.
It just really helps to express the flavors a little bit more.
Wow.
And we're gonna get a nice shake. If you don't have any cocktail shakers at the house, you could stir it as well. You just want to go for about 20 rotations.
Yes,
typically.
yes.
Start getting cold on the outside. And by rule of thumb for us bartenders is about 15-second shake.
15 seconds,
Yeah.
okay.
Get it nice and cold. This is where you can have some fun.
Oh, I know, I feel it.
Have fun in the kitchen, have fun with the girls. And
Get everything.
nice and stuff.
You got to have some muscles to pull it apart?
Sometimes it helps. Just a bit. All right, and then we'll strain it right over our fresh ice. And we also partnered with Richard's Rainwater, which is a fantastic local water made here in Austin, Texas. And we're just gonna pop open a fresh one and just do a touch right over the top.
Wow.
And then we'll just get a quick stir. Our garnish will be a lemon wheel, fresh cut. And if you can hand me a beautiful lavender sprig there, that'll help not only look very pretty, but also the dried lavender, just a nice smell right over the top for you.
Okay.
Beautiful. A little caught up there. That's cool.
We love lavender because bees also pollinate lavender.
Yeah, and the lavender, after you make the syrup, it kind of takes on a honey kind of feel as well. So it just meshes extremely well, especially with the classic lemonade.
So is this a good place right here?
That's perfect. Yeah,
Can I try it?
Love the Lavender Lemonade. Yes.
Oh wow, look at that. Look how beautiful that is.
Give it
Perfect
the nice-
color. Now for the taste.
That's yours.
Wow, that is amazing. Thank you. This is great. This is great. I love this. It is so delicious. Love to
Cheers.
lavender. Cheers.